Our 1975 MGB Roadster is the perfect example of why these cars were so popular for so long, as it is truly stunning. It's finished in Tundra Green over a tan leather interior, which is a beautiful colour combination. Our 1975 MGB Roadster has been brought back to life through a full restoration from the team here at Bridge Classic Cars. It has a 1.8 litre V-Series engine and it is mated with a 4-speed manual gearbox. What a treat it would be for you to spend your summer driving around in this gorgeous MGB. And never guess what? You have that chance because you can win it from us here at Bridge Classic Cars. So head over to the Bridge Classic Cars website today and get yourself a ticket. Good luck!